You're watching SCORE's Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking about how to prepare property details in RPR.
The property details page on RPR is comprised of 5 tabs detailing a home and its history. First, let's look at the Summary tab. The Summary tab spotlights estimated value or listing price if it's for sale, basic facts about a property, and displays current and historical photos. One of the most distinctive features on this page is the Realtor's Valuation Model, or RVM. The RVM goes beyond the typical automated valuation by incorporating listing and sales data from the MLS into the equation. It's also accompanied by a confidence score, a value between 0 and 5 stars. High confidence scores indicate that the different valuation models yield similar estimates for the property. In other words, a property is more likely to sell at a price close to the estimated value when its AVM or RVM confidence score is high. To the left of the photos, you'll notice the public MLS remarks. You can also include your own personal notes here, which you can choose to include or not include in your reports. On the upper right-hand side of the page, you can see a map of where the property lies. Here you can overlay heat maps to see, for example, the 12-month change in estimated value. You can expand the map by clicking Bigger Map and reduce it the same way. Moving down the page, on the right-hand side, we see the listing agent information. We also have the ability to compare this record against historical records for the property. We're now selecting this current record with the record from 2008. Scroll through to notice each of the differences. For a clear view of the property, use the Street View, Overhead View, or Photo History. The Google Street View image is interactive and includes a 360-degree view of the property. This is especially useful when listing or historical photos are not available. You also have the ability to move up and down the street. You can toggle between the Google Street View and Overhead View, as well as listing photos when the property is an active listing. A newer feature is the ability to add property notes and photos. If you want to customize your report cover photo or add additional photos you've taken yourself, this is where you'll add them. Click the Upload Photos link to access the wizard. Once your photo is uploaded, click the Edit button to designate one photo for your report cover photo or delete any photos you've added. Make sure you click Save not to lose your changes. Here you'll see homeowner information followed by the home facts, which enables the user to modify or make notes about the property. This area you can make changes to, and note that it's for your access only. Nobody will be able to see the information that you put in these fields. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll notice that we searched a property in zip code 94550, so we are seeing market charts for that area. The median estimated home value, price change history, listing details, distressed info if available, open house, room details, both interior and exterior features, location details, schools, homeowners information, and legal description, including plat map where available. We also have mortgage and tax information, and this is just what's on the summary page. Next, the History tab. The best way to review the history of a property is to examine the Sales and Financing Activity chart on the Property Details page. The integration of information in this chart is unique in the real estate industry. It pulls together data from various sources and presents the results clearly and graphically. Now, if you scroll down below that, you'll see the data charts that power the chart. We can toggle from public record data sets to MLS record data sets. Also, if we see multiple data sets, we can scroll through as needed. The Charts tab shows charts that compare the property to others in its local market and depict local market conditions such as the median sales price versus sales volume and the listing inventory. Click About This Data to provide context for the chart. The Refine Value tab lets users update the value of a home based on improvements made, market conditions, and a confirmation of the property's characteristics. This tool can also help clients determine whether purchasing a home and then remodeling is worth the investment. You can refine the value of a home by adjusting the basic facts, by adding home improvements, or modifying the local market and home conditions. The Comp Analysis tab leverages RPR's vast property database to help users search for and report on comps and competitive listings. A step-by-step wizard walks users through the process to validate basic facts about a subject property, select comps, and then adjust those comps to yield a customized and flexible comp analysis result, which appears on the property details page as well as any reports you generate.